like it. I'm gonna do a good project. Let's start doing it.
All right. Look at that.
Wow.
That is cool.
Okay.
I couldn't be more thrilled watching my daughter play with this wooden Montessori toy. She's so creative and has so many different ideas for it. I know her brother will want to come in and stack them up like houses and even set them up like dominoes.
What does this say?
That's the instructions. Do you think you know how to do it?
No.
I can imagine how much Tiny Tots would enjoy this as well. You did it!
Colors.
Good job, honey. Proud of you.
Sorry, guys. Sorry. I'm making it very good, though, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oopsie. Kind of messed up there. Rainbow is a sidewalk. Going on it.
Oh, you're fast.
Like, I know. Gonna do this and showing you straight.
Yeah?
That looks like a flower on your
It does
toe.
look like a flower, you're right.
Toys are fun. Everything is so cool. Have a great day.